In this video, I'm going to take you through the HDB My Nice Home Gallery and tour the 5-room flats. If you want to see the showroom of other flat types, check out my other videos. Let's start with the 5-room flat first. The size is around 110 square meters and it is the biggest show flat here. Here's the layout for your reference. And in case you are wondering who's the ID, where did they get the furniture from and all of that, the information is right here. When you enter, you go straight to the living room. And the bomb shelter is actually on the right, but they hide it behind the wooden wall panel. The sofa is definitely a showpiece, very unique. I also like the cloud-shaped tissue holder on the table. So cute. And this 5-room is actually quite big, but they made it look even bigger with the floor-to-ceiling mirrors. Lots of storage on the TV console. I'm sure if you try to open it, there are a bunch of shelves behind the wooden panels. Another thing that enhances the look and feel is the lighting. There are a lot of ambient lights on the ceiling as well as around the fixtures. This really looks like a condo, isn't it? Okay, next, we are going to the home office. This is not really a room because it's only separated by a glass panel and there's no door. When I look at this, I was thinking is the intention is so you can work or study while watching the TV, or maybe so you can see what the kids are doing in the living room, maybe. Obviously, it's not realistic because in real life, if you have to take a conference call while your family watches TV, then the noise will be in the background. The custom cabinet looks nice, and the design looks very consistent throughout all of the showroom flats here where they use curves a lot, like even the study table is curvy. Just in case anybody thinks the glass panel will come with the BTO, so they put up a sign here. Here's another look of the custom cabinet. In real life, I think some glass doors will be very helpful to minimize the dust. Okay, next, let's go to the kitchen. It is open concept, almost similar style with last year's Showflat theme. If you want to know what does it look like last year, I'll put up a link on the description down below. Because they do change the design a lot, like every couple of years or so. It does looks very luxurious, isn't it? With the chandelier and the fake bubble table and all. I love the chandelier, by the way. It looks so modern. Definitely a statement piece. If it's my own flat, I would have put like an island in the middle instead of this giant dining table. The kitchen looks huge. The countertop and backsplash are from the same material, so it looks seamless and it does help to make the kitchen look bigger. So here's the kitchen from a different angle. As usual, you have the service yard just outside the kitchen to do your laundry. I guess if you have a lot of friends and families gathering, this style of flat is great to entertain. Okay, so this is interesting because all of the cabinets are customized. They even put a nook for the Roomba, you know, that robot that can clean your floors. I thought that was a nice touch. Another thing that I noticed is the black sink. It looks modern indeed. I wonder though whether it will get scratched over time. Let me know in the comment down below if you like this style of kitchen. More decorations to make this flat look more inviting. I'm actually surprised it's only a 2-stove electric hob considering how massive this kitchen is. Well, maybe a kitchen this pretty is not for heavy cooking. A giant fridge and double ovens. Wait, I think the one at the top is a microwave. They even have a nook for the air fryer. Well, from personal experience, air fryer can stain the back of the wall, but this one I think you can pull the bottom tray out when you're using the air fryer, so that's good. Oh, look at the spice rack. I love it. Top to bottom, you can put so many things inside. Okay, next, let's go to the first common bedroom. As you can see, it can fit a queen-size bed. And actually, you can still put a bedside table if you want to. Again, they installed floor-to-ceiling mirrors to make this room look bigger. Here's a shot from a different angle. Definitely look cozy. Again, a curvy wardrobe. Is this a trend right now to avoid angles? I feel like every single HDB Showflat here are all somewhat curvy. Isn't it more expensive to have curvy custom cabinet and wardrobe like this? I googled it, and curvy designs like this were a trend back in the 60s and 70s, so I guess they are making a comeback. Here they put exposed racks. I think this is helpful, so you can put things that you often use here, so you don't have to keep opening and closing the cabinets all the time. Okay, next is the common bathroom. Modern looking, clean look. I just wonder why the soap rack nowadays are placed so low. Maybe it's for the kids or something. I find it strange that the toilet bowl is literally behind the shower, so I think the layout is a bit awkward. Okay, next, it's the second common bedroom. They decorate it for the kids' room / study room. This bunk bed is so cute. It comes with these book racks on the side and also a hook to hang some bags. The lower bed is almost at floor level, so it's good for young kids. I love how they paid attention to the small details like these teddy bears, and even the wallpaper accent color matches the bears' tie colors. So here's a look from a different angle. It looks like a study table for grown-ups, maybe for the parent while accompanying the kids. It's also custom built, by the way. Gosh, I can't stop thinking about how much would all of these customized things cost. Another curved wardrobe. Okay, next we have the master bedroom. Somehow it looks kind of small, isn't it? I don't know why. They fit a dressing table on one side and a side table on the other side. Custom wall panel. Got TV also. What's unique about this wardrobe is it is using glass doors. They lit up the inside as well, so it looks very luxurious. I guess the downside is you have to keep the inside of your wardrobe tidy, otherwise it will look like a glorified mess. The next wardrobe is using a pull system because the door is blocked by the dressing table. You also have some storage underneath as well. And last but not least is the master bathroom. The mirror is customized and curved as well. This bathroom looks bigger than the common bathroom. Why don't you put a comment down below and guess how much do you think it would cost to renovate your flat to look like this? Comment down below. I want to know what's your estimate. Okay, if you're keen to visit these HDB Showflats yourself, it is located in HDB Hub at Toa Payoh. Here's the opening hours for your reference. You need to take these lifts to level 3. The sites are kind of small, but if you get lost, just ask any officers there. I'm sure they will be happy to help. Check out my other videos if you want to see the other HDB Showflats. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!